Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your Discord server more of a safe place. So go to settings, server settings, and then go to safety setup. Here, members of the server must meet the following criteria before they can send messages in text channels or initiate a direct message conversation. So as you can see, this server is unrestricted, but you can have you can click on the low one. They must have a verified email, medium, high, and highest. They must have a verified phone on their Discord account. And you can also enable this explicit media content, for instance, scan media content from all members. Then you're just going to press save changes, and now your Discord is safer, I guess, than before. So it's basically just a safety setup, but that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!